Hello guys, welcome to the scholarship analyst channel. And in this video we are not going to be talking about scholarship, but we are going to be talking about why do you need to go to the stress of study when you can actually go directly and work without needing a job offer or an employment in the Europe, which is Germany. What do you think? Do you think it's possible, or do you think it's not possible? Let's find out. Wait till the end of this video and find out. And before I continue, if you are not subscribed to this channel and you are watching this video right now, click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to put on the notification so as to get video like this and also scholarship video on how to apply and the processing and everything. You can also smash the like button if you like our video. Connect with other people who are also already gotten scholarship or who are looking for scholarship through our WhatsApp group, Telegram, and also Twitter. I'll be sharing some testimony very soon. Maybe my next week video will be some testimony video where some of our people that got scholarship sent a message to the group or to us, or you see people that are already in the process of getting their visa or applying. I'm happy for everyone that the information I'm providing is helping people to also move to abroad. I'm happy for them. So let's continue and let's get started. Today we are going to be talking about working in Germany with one card opportunity. And this, you don't need a job offer, like the ones in the previous videos. You don't need a job offer from an employer or anything. It's just like you're applying for a Canada residency, where they just give you a points-based system, and if you add a higher point or something, they going to bring you over without you needing a job offer from an employer, and then get to Canada to find job, that kind of stuff. Just like the same thing with this Germany pathway, where you get point based system and then move to Germany to start finding job. But the only thing here is that this actually your first visa actually only lasts for 1 year, so which means you have to find job in that 1 year. So if you couldn't find job in that 1 year, your visa is not renewable. But if you can find job in that 1 year, it is renewable, and which gives opportunity for permanent residency. So why don't you want to try this out? If the study route is not working for you, then try this one out. So you can read through everything, but I will just be going straight to the point because I don't want this video to be too long. So let's start with before we come here, one of the most important requirements. I will go to the frequently asked questions, so that as to make it, they will give you more summarized stuff. So sorry, this is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the criteria. Perfect. So the criteria that is for you to be eligible for this one card opportunity, for you to be eligible, the major criteria is your language skills, your work experience. They are not telling you to go and get a job offer. Your previous or your current work experience, your age, and link to Germany. Now, your language skills, you must have a German. Don't forget you are going to Germany, so they don't want English skills. They want a German skills, because most of people there will be speaking German. It's very, very important for you to understand German. So your language skills that they want here must be able to speak German. And if you go up back here, you see it here that the basic requirement is level B2, or for a good point you need a good German language of skill level of B2. You need your previous work experience, that you have experience working, and also your age also, and link to Germany. So calculate your points. You can click here to calculate your points now. So let me quickly go back. So, and also your work experience can be a part-time job, can be a full-time job, irrespective. You can just read through how they give points, just read through, and also uh, what this Kachante, or what they call their name, offers: proof of funds, health insurance, and legal consultation. So now we are going to use the assistant, just to, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. So the assistant, application assistant, your personal assistant on your way for your what, to your opportunity card. Your nationality, I'll be using my home country. Nigeria. Is your country of residence different from your nationality? Yes, but yeah. What's your country of residence? Okay, United. I will not be using my. Let me just choose anyone. Let me choose. Do you have? Sorry, I chose it wrong. Sorry. Do you have a qualification that require at least 2 years to complete? Yes, I hold a professional qualification. I have a university degree. Yeah, I have a university degree. Do you obtain your qualification in Germany or fully recognized here, there? Yeah, I put my qualification or endowment degree. No, it's not recognized. Yes, my qualification is specially recognized. Okay, fully recognized. How well do you speak German? Personally, I don't speak German. Do you understand? So, but don't forget the requirement of this is you must be able to speak German. So if I choose not at all, I will assume they will not give me something. But let's choose not at all. How well do you speak English? Uh, Business fluent, see better. Basic command, fluent, yeah, fluent. What is your age? Yep. Do you possess work experience to your week? Yes. How many years do you have in field? At least 5, at least 2. I can provide or less, at least, yeah, at least 2. Is your formal qualification in a bottleneck profession? Please select the form bottleneck. Choose no if it doesn't apply. Earth science, mathematics, healthcare, information technology. Okay. How you have you is no? I've not ever lived. Do you have a partner who used to enter? Let me choose no. Do you have sufficient financial resources to secure a livelihood? Let me choose no. Also, assume I'm choosing no. I'm just answering based on the applicant point of view. I assume no has 13K. If you have, you choose yes. Do you have a job offer from an employer? No. What is your name? MOS. Email address. Let me just put one of my training email address. Let's just put something. Okay, so submit. Let's see what it says. You can see congratulations. Any full recognition score likely allows for immediate granting of checker. You can head over to your embassy or consulate right now and apply. Make sure you have papers ready. The information is based on your input. The ultimate decision on your check-me application can be taken by your visa. So what are the recommendations? So for immediate qualification, so you can use this one to assess your foreign degree, like onto German stuff, you know what I mean. More like evaluating your results. That's what they are showing here. Proof of financial means, you understand. It's going to be a job found that's being checker candidate and job register. Now to be among the first to get access to the platform, you will receive early access to checker's job. So you can also register here. Improve your German skills, you can see it here. Mandating health insurance, you can see it here. Good advice here. Apply for German embassy, blah blah. So apply online, you can see it here. Fair German University, you can see, so you can see it give you all the process you need to do. So I'm choosing, let's check the online. Apply for online one card, you can see resident permit, allow workers from third country enter to seek employment, as you can see, and it can also be used for searching, recognized for a professional and the likes. Can see it's only used for 1 year. If you receive an employment contract or buy any job of qualified employment during your stay, you can really follow up with another everything permit. As you can see, now which country are you resident. So let me just choose. So you can see all the requirements, like it's very straightforward. They say to apply on a point basis, German skill at least A level or English skills at B2. You understand? So these are like the for one card opportunity requirements, like just like I mentioned earlier. So what's my resident country? Let me assume I'm in Nigeria. Let's choose Nigeria. Your responsible revision, blah blah, Abuja. Trying to give me where I can go ahead and apply. It's not available. Online application is available here. Let me choose apply now. You can see now German mission is currently busy. Now no new application have been accepted at the moment, so that means they've put in a lot of applications. So check for your country. For my country, this is what you see. You have the option of preparing all necessary information and support in advance. Once you have covered everything, you can join the waiting list. Then that's done. 2 to 6 months. That's a lot. I will go back and change my address now. Let's see. So, but let's of us see what this one is saying first. So, it's telling me to set up accounts and put everything down and probably join waiting list to create an account and like. So, I will go back. Where did I stop? Okay, country of residence. So let's choose USA. Let's see what's here. There's a lot. Atlanta, Miami. Don't let me just choose one. New York is popular. Let's choose. Let's see. I want to see if they also say it's processing. So you can see now this one they don't have a lot. So it all depends on your country. So if I'm to apply right now, I can easily apply with ease. Probably they can approve me in the next 1 month or something, or in the next 1 week. So it all depends. As far as all my documents are ready, get the visa and then move on. So that's just it. So very straightforward. So yeah, that will be all for now. Thank you very much, guys. And if you have any question, let me know. So you can see some country might be on the waiting list, and some maybe because of the volume of application that has been applied for. So that depends on you, and that will be your. God bless you guys, and have a wonderful day.